Welcome to Edtube. Get the latest sports updates and global news right here. Subscribe, like, share, and comment to stay connected with all things sports. The new Bin t-shirt is now available in the market. Eritrean American Tiffany Haddish expressed her happiness after seeing a video of Nahom Girmay receiving a warm welcome in Asmara, exclaiming, "Elalil, enjoy." Amanuel Ghebreigzabhier has signed an important 2-year extension with Little Trek, securing his place on the team until 2026. Eritrean Nahom Girmay signs with the new Swedish football team Edtube. Get ready for an exhilarating day at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Eritrea's Rahel Daniel and Eritrean American Wayne Kaladi are racing for gold in the women's 10,000 meter. Let's cheer them on. Eritrea, the land of resilient and determined people who are constantly achieving and making things happen.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to Edtube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.